On paper, a staple gun is simple. But dig into the reviews and you'll find the real story. The fourth jam in 10 minutes, the half-attached fabric, the bruised palm. The wrong tool doesn't just slow you down, it turns a simple project into a fight. I've spent days analyzing thousands of user experiences, professional tool reviews, and engineering specs to cut through the noise. Whether you're reupholstering a chair, installing insulation, or doing trim work, the right gun makes you faster. The wrong one makes you quit. Let's get to work. The NEU Master is the definition of a competent, no-frills manual staple gun. Its all-steel construction and chrome finish provides solid durability for the price. The standout feature is the adjustable power screw on top, a simple but effective way to dial in depth for different materials. A rare find in this price tier that prevents overdriving into soft woods or fabrics. The rubberized grip and quick clear jam mechanism show thoughtful design for user fatigue and frustration. However, as a manual tool, it requires significant hand strength for high-volume work or hardwoods. This is the perfect starter gun for the serious DIYer tackling periodic upholstery, insulation, or craft projects. It won't outperform a pneumatic tool, but for its class, it's overbuilt, adjustable, and reliable. You can trust it not to fail mid-project. The WORKPRO is a category killer in terms of sheer fastener compatibility. Its ability to fire T50, JT21, T20, T25 staples, 18-gauge brad nails, and pins without adjustment is its superpower, effectively replacing several dedicated tools. The dual power lever is a genuinely intelligent feature, letting you match force to material on the fly. The patented anti-jam mechanism and bottom load magazine work as advertised, streamlining workflow. The trade-off is weight and size. It's a substantial handful, and the complex internal mechanism for multi-fastener compatibility can feel less direct than a single-purpose gun. This is the ultimate one-tool-fits-most solution for a home workshop or handyman. If your projects vary wildly, from delicate trim to fencing, this gun eliminates toolboxes full of single-use staplers. The Surebonder TRIGGERFIRE attempts to revolutionize the manual staple gun's operation. Its dual-mode system, trigger mode and normal mode, is designed to reduce hand fatigue. In theory, trigger mode lets you use 2 lighter squeezes instead of 1 hard one. In practice, it's a mixed blessing. The mechanism adds complexity and a slightly mushy feel. Where it excels is its excellent tool-free depth adjustment and the superb easy drop-in loading for Aero T50 staples. This gun is for the user with hand strength issues or who faces very high-volume manual stapling. The learning curve of the trigger system is worth it for them. The Evertools isn't just selling a tool, it's selling a ready-to-work kit. The 4-in-1 gun itself is robust, with adjustable pressure control and a noted jam-resistant design. Its real value is in the inclusion of 6,000 staples, a remover, gloves, and pencils. This is thoughtful for a beginner who doesn't want to guess at staple sizes. The construction is solid, similar to the NEU Master. However, the sheer volume of included staples can mask the fact that the gun, while good, isn't necessarily best in class. It's a very competent tool surrounded by exceptional accessories. This is the single best purchase for a first-time buyer or gift giver. You get everything needed to start major projects immediately. The ValueMax positions itself as the lightweight, ergonomic option for precision work. Its focus is clearly on upholstery and crafting, with compatibility for D, U-type staples, and brad nails. The rubber ergonomic grip is well designed to minimize pressure points, and the handle lock is a legitimate safety plus for storage. However, its lightweight body comes at the expense of raw driving power. It can struggle with dense materials or longer staples, and the build, while adequate, doesn't inspire the same heavy-duty confidence as an all-steel competitor. This is the specialist for fabric, light trim, and detailed work. If you're recovering dining chairs or building a shadow box, its comfort and precision are ideal. For heavier duty tasks like fencing, insulation, or subfloor work, it's underpowered.